what's going on, guys. In this one, it's a live bait mahi, obviously, and I put together a few different clips from a few different fishing days just to put in some more action for you guys. But yeah, the bait we use is a pelu, or scad mackerel. They call it a pelu in Hawaii, and I actually cook it up twice because this is from a few different trips. So I cook the mahi a few different ways. One of them is if you want to fry fish but you only have a couple ingredients like oil and breadcrumbs, I'm going to show you how to do that. And also just blackened mahi, which is super popular with a good Louisiana seasoning. So yeah, I hope you guys like the video, and subscribe, like, and I'm in New York right now, but I am headed to Louisiana very soon, and I can't wait to get back down there. So subscribe and stay tuned, and thanks, guys. Now he's on. Yeah, he was running right at it.
Yeah, he just jumped right in back there.
There he is. All right, here you go.
We're on.
I'll go get you the belt.
Okay, good belt.
I did a bad job in the beginning. It's all in there. Gotcha.
Keep that other one out.
Okay.
That'll get him on it. Reel.
Nice job. All right, back up.
There's your MAHI-MAHI, man. Right out, Graham. We got a flag out. He's a nice one. He's not huge, but he's lovely.
Yeah, he's a pretty one.
Why don't you get a picture here?
Well done, you.
He was right here. I just had to flip him in.
He's right in that corner. Get more leverage that way.
It's like he's getting ready to do a big jump.
You're hoping he is, isn't it?
Yeah. Right into the sun, rising.
Now would be the time, big fella.
Nice job. Yeah. Oh, that is nice. Yeah. Blue and yellow. Back up, back up.
That's a beautiful.
Good job. Keep it tight. Get it back down for you here. Get ready to reel. Woo! Take it, Robbie.
Oh, hell yeah!
Oh, that's a great shot, bro.
Oh.
Look at him. Oh, that's so great, isn't it?
Yeah, that's awesome.
Yeah, it is. Look at him coming up. I gotta breathe. I want to let go of this thing.
That is awesome. Oh, it's gonna be so good. Oh. Beautiful night here in Kona. Just giving you guys like an aerial view of where we fish, get like a really good view. So that little speck, if you can see that, the little black thing, that's not a boat. That is actually a FAD, a fish aggregate device or aggregating device called the EB buoy. And a lot of boats fish it pretty much every day. I wake up and if I'm not fishing, I see boats circling it and stuff. And we fish there a lot, doing all sorts of stuff that you'll see eventually. But the harbor is there where it kind of like indents in. That's where the harbor is, right there. And in front of that is Kona. That's like downtown and all sorts of stuff. But yeah, this is the view. The grounds are up there, which is another fishing spot where probably the most famous fishing spot here, where just a lot of marlin have been caught, and it's where the big drop-off is. But yeah, this is where we fish, and just wanted you guys to see that, visualize it. It's all really close.